everybody. This is my daughter Bethany and I'm Mrs. S. And today I'd like to show you how I do the beautiful braid for my daughter. And it's easy to make and also make the hair looks neat and tidy, especially when she's at school or playing with friends, so the hair won't cover up her face. Let me show you how to do it. Beth, could you come and sit down? Yes, thank you. So we need the detangling spray. I use Pantene here. You can buy at any stores like Walmart, Target, and then we spray a little bit to the hair, so make the hair smooth to brush on. Then we give a little bit brush here, and then we part the hair into two sections, and I use my pencil liner and then make two sections of the hair. And I want to keep this, and using this rubber and tie it, because I want to do the other part first. Let me show you. Now I begin to make a braid at this side, and before I forget, I took a little handful of the hair and then tied with the little black rubber band, and then to make it beautiful I use this ribbon, but as you can see here with the clamp at the end, it is actually the new shoelace that I find at the arts craft store. But for this shoelace I bought from eBay. So we make a rope like this, make it half even, and then put it under this hair, and then you tie it around it. Okay, now we are going to make a beautiful braid. Always make 3 sections of the hair. Take a little bit hair at this side, and then you hold with your hand, and then take the shoelace on the right side, and then we already have the middle part, and then take another one on the left side, just a little bit section of the hair, and then we are going to start to make the braid. Always put the hair part into the middle. Right comes to the middle, and then left goes to the middle, and then I'm going to take another piece of hair, add it to your hand, and then put it to the middle part. The same way with the left side, take a little bit of the hair and then goes to the middle part, and then add more hair, put it to the middle part. The same way here again and again. The left part took a little bit of hair and then goes to the middle part. The same way again, a little bit handful of hair, always put it to the middle part section. Goes like that until all the hair is done. Take a little bit on the left side, put it on the middle. Take a little bit on the right, put it to the middle. You have to hold it very tightly and firmly so the hair will not get loose. Like this. And then take another one, goes to the middle. As you can see that the shoelaces comes on and off through the braids. Here, like this. Okay. We're almost halfway down. Okay. It looks pretty. It's the color of the Christmas. Bright green. Always put the braid to the middle. Do it all the way through until the bottom. That's easy braid. Put it to the middle. Goes to the middle. Goes to the middle. Almost done here. Okay. Okay, when you reach at the neck, you have to stop and then tie it with another rubber band. I use this one, the black one. Just tie it because we have to finish the other section of the hair. Okay, to keep it tight and firm, not loose. Okay, I'll move. Do the other section. Now I'm doing the left section the same way. As you can see, okay, hold up. I already take a little bit handful of hair and then I tie with the black little rubber band, and then I'll use another color of the shoelace. I use the gold one to make it nice and different from the other side. And also I make it halfway and then make a little bit kind of like rope, like this. And then put it on this hair and then tie it around it. Okay, make sure it's almost the same even. Then take a little bit hair here. We already have this one in the middle. And then take a little bit hair on my left hand. And then always put the hair section to the middle, like this. And then take a little bit hair here. And then put to the middle, put to the middle, take a little bit, put to the middle again, take a little bit, put to the middle, a little bit, put to the middle, a little bit hair here, put it to the middle, a little bit hair to the middle, a little bit hair to the middle. Okay, keep on continuing doing that until all the hair is done. You can see the bright gold shoelace will brighten up your daughter's hair. And for your information, we can do this braid to any type of the hair. For her hair is kind of like straight hair, but if your child has a curly or wavy hair, you still can do it. That's very easy and simple braid that any mom can do it for the little girl. Almost done here. Almost done. Okay, if we reach at the bottom of the hair, as you remember, I already tied up the other section. Now I want to combine the two braids into one, so they will look nice. I hold each section with my hands, and then I will take a little bit of this section, like this much, and then put it, combine it to the other section. That way they will go together. And then I will get another a little bit part of that section and then goes to the other. That way they will combine into one. A little bit over there and goes to the other section. A little bit here goes to the other way. And then a little bit here and then goes to another way again. A little bit here goes to this section. And then a little bit here goes to this part. Okay, I think it's enough. And then if the two braids already combined together and we have quite firm braid, I can tie them into one with another black rubber band. We're almost finished here. Okay, this is nice and firm. Now we do have the excess here. I'm going to make a little bit pretty by making them a bow, little bow. We have another one here. I'll just tie it around to the front and then once again make another little bow like this, and then voila, the hairdo is done. Okay, say hi and goodbye, Beth.